It has almost a monopoly on internet searches, but its tax affairs have also dominated Google's public life.
OK, Google, what's the quickest way home by bike?
Now it's completed a £130 million deal to pay British corporation tax dating back 10 years. For some, though, it's simply not enough.
Well, I've been campaigning on this issue for the last 15 years. Under the last government and this government, I've been pressing for action. So this is too little too late. At least we've got something. But to be frank, it looks as though what independent assessors have said, this is only paying about 3% of tax. Most corporations are paying 20%. Ordinary individuals are paying much more than that. So I think most people will just think it's unfair.
Google enjoyed sales of £4.6 billion in the UK in 2014. Under normal circumstances, companies would have paid 21% tax on their profits. But because Google routes its UK sales via Ireland and then onto the Caribbean, it pays much less each year than this £130 million tax deal, which covers a decade of accounts. So does Google now accept that it had been paying too little?
We were applying the rules as they were, and that was then, and now we're going to be applying the new rules, which means we will be paying more tax.
And the Chancellor, who introduced the so-called Google tax to clamp down on aggressive tax avoidance, was satisfied with the deal.
When I became Chancellor, there were some companies that paid little or no tax, and that rightly caused a lot of public anger. We said we'd take action. Now we have companies like Google paying tax. And I want the message to go out that in Britain taxes are low, but they have to be paid, and I expect more companies to follow suit.
The spotlight now turns to other large companies such as Amazon and Starbucks. Facebook paid only £4,000 in corporation tax last year. It may take a while to close the book on creative tax arrangements. Joe Lynham, BBC News.